All right, guys. I just took or learned some more about make.com. I completed 3 more units in the first lesson. So I learned how to basically configure modules very simply, um, meaning I have this module, whether it's a trigger, an action, or some other type of module, and I'm able to give it like the settings that it needs to run. I learned how to connect and unconnect modules, meaning I can like if I have one trigger and one action, I can connect that so that the trigger then leads to the action, and then I can connect it to another action, and so on, make a logic chain. And I also learned how to map. I don't know if there's another word after that, just like how to map in general. And my understanding of mapping is basically configuring your workflow. You're configuring the way you want the data to flow through the automation correctly. The example that I did today as part of the lesson was I had a weather app and I had a Google Sheet, and I wanted to map the data, which data I wanted to take from the weather app into and put it into Google Sheet in a specific way. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with lesson one. I just have this like end of the lesson quiz. So I've created my first scenario. I ran it today. So I successfully was able to draw the data I wanted from the weather app and put it into the Google Sheet. So I've ran my first scenario with make.com, and now I just gotta check your understanding at the end, which I love from make.com. I think testing is a great tool for solidifying understanding and knowledge. So yeah, that's another day of learning make. Yesterday I was experimenting with creating this auto comment bot for Facebook ads. I'm going to continue working on that today. Facebook was being pretty touchy with its, I'm having to go into the developer app or the developer side of Facebook, and it was being kind of like whatever, high security. So hopefully today I've passed its automated checks and I can get back into developing this auto comment responder for Facebook ads and potentially Instagram ads as well. So that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys later.